Hi everyone! Today we are making super easy Sanrio popsicles. On a hot day, it's so nice to cool down with a homemade icy treat like this. Just look at the packaging, so cute, right? There are 4 different cup designs. I'm excited to see which character I get. The instructions are written on the back. Let's open it up right away. Here's what's inside. Wow! I got a chrome cup. So cute! Alright, let's get started. First, pour the powder into the cup. Then, fill it with water up to the red mark. I'm nervous but excited. Wow! It turned into a beautiful light blue color. And it smells like soda. Mix it well. I love soda flavor, so I'm really happy about this. This is getting me so hyped. Make sure the powder is fully dissolved. Like this. Looks good, right? Now, let's prepare the popsicle stick. Oh, I see. You put a sticker on a star-shaped tip of the stick. It came with a chrome sticker. So cute! Decorating it yourself like this is really fun, don't you think? Once the sticker is on, insert the stick into the cup. Looks perfect! Now, let's put it in the freezer. It's done! It's frozen solid. The color is so pretty. I love it! Let's take it out. But before that, let's open the toppings. Look at these blue and pink toppings. Aren't they just too cute? This popsicle is so colorful, it really lifts your mood. It's totally Instagram worthy. Let's put the topping on. Wow! The colors are seriously beautiful. Amazing! I want to coat the whole thing, but it's a bit tricky. Look at it! It's super cute and looks delicious. I wanted to add all the toppings, but I think this is the best I can do. Looks good, right? Let's try it. いただきます。Cold and tasty. The refreshing soda flavor is amazing. And the sweetness and crunchiness of the toppings add a nice touch. It's super easy and I definitely recommend it. On this channel, we introduce lots of fun and popular DIY candies from Japan. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!